Hey, Merry Christmas, everybody. Hope all is well. Adam Lentz from Technical Associates of Charlotte. I just want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays, all that good stuff. We had a great IMC International Maintenance Conference in Bonita Springs about a week and a half ago. Had a chance to meet a lot of folks and learn about the industry, Internet of Things, and we're able to make some great contacts and learn a lot about machine health and all those things that we work with in vibration. So just wanted to touch base with everybody and say Happy New Year. You'll be seeing a services email probably coming your way shortly that shows our on-site and off-site services that we offer at Technical Associates, including things such as motion amplification with our RDI Technologies camera, Iris M camera, and we also do modal ODS, and we have PDM solutions and things that we do as well. So Happy New Year, everybody.